Hi, this is Alex, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about some program I made up called Validation Check Program that will help with quarterly reporting. Specifically, it will help with the utilization stuff, like how many phone calls you guys made or how many reassessments you guys did, reporting that kind of information to Boston Public Health Commission. So before, the process for quarterly reporting was that you would get a, an Excel file or Excel files from Rima, and then you would copy and paste it into a new Access file, and then you would upload that Access file to the E2 Boston website. So my program does this middle bit for you guys. Um, so when you run the program, it will create an Access file that you can just upload to the E2 Boston website. So, how to use the program. So, what you guys will get will be a folder that I've just called this name. You can call it anything you want. And there is one program inside it. So, what you'll do is that you will have your quarterly BPHC reporting folder on the CDPP drive here. And then you'll get the Excel files from Rima and you will put them into one of the folders there. And then with the program, so you have to move the whole folder. So yeah, so you would move the entire folder and you see the files from Rima are here, and then the program folder is here, and then the program itself is inside of that folder. And you need to have this actually exact structure, kind of folder structure, if you want the program to work. That is to say that you cannot have the program be here with the files or in some other directory. It needs to be in its own folder, and that folder needs to be um, on the same level as the Excel files. So anyways, you double click on the program and it will open up some black screen. It will probably take like a minute or two to run. It's a little bit slow. And what you will get is an Excel file like this. So you can see it's named like this, and it has the date, this one January 1st, 2015, and then the time that you created the file. And you will also get a log file, which will be a text file. And actually, sorry, you won't get it in this directory. You would get it in this directory. And let's just look at the log file real quick. Um, yeah, so the log file would have this sort of naming scheme. Again, date and then time. And if all goes well, then your log file will look like this. Um, it will say no errors, and it wrote to one of the tables in the access file. That was okay. And same thing for Dorchester House. If there's an error, then you'll get, or if there are errors, you'll get stuff like this. For example, one of the social security numbers was blank, and so the program changed it automatically. But then there was a problem later on where for a particular patient, there was one row where a social security number was missing, and then that kind of caused the whole thing to break. Um, so, anyways, if you have that error, you'd see this, and then just change the Excel file, and then rerun the program again. Um, yeah, so when you finish, you'll get this file, and then you can upload that right to E2 Boston. Um, and then after, for the process where you will upload it to E2 Boston, you will turn it to an XML file, which is like a different version of the access file. And then you'll have to like save that file somewhere on your computer and then upload that again to the website. And for that, I can't do that on my computer, unfortunately, because I don't have access to the website. So I recommend using Carmen's Guide, which is some Word document somewhere on CDPP. Um, and if there are people who want to work on my program, change it, update it because the requirements have changed, for example, they can go to this website, and the language that the program was written is Python. If you have any questions, just email me at this email address. And that's all. Thanks.